Good morning, viewer. I'm in a little quiet corner of Birdwood Reserve just below Zealandia, and yeah, I'm just chilling out here. Today is day 2 of me working here, and well, I got the early bus in, so had a bit of extra time, and I just found this little quiet place with the sound of water spilling over the ledge there. And yeah, decided this was a good spot to start the episode. And here we have it. Welcome to this episode of Gardener Gone Wild. Yep, you heard it. This is an episode. And welcome to this episode. Isn't it nice? I keep meaning to film stuff in Zealandia, but don't seem to have gotten around to it. Ended up finishing late-ish because you know, we had an extra thing to chill around and some food. And yeah, by the time I sort of got out, I knew I would have had time, but with the wind and everything, thought might as well just go down to Botanical Gardens. So I'm just walking my way down because I can. And yes, I believe we'll be there in a minute or so. Apparently it's supposed to get really windy tomorrow. Really windy. So as you can see now, it is actually properly spring. I believe it's the viaduct of 1931 that we have right here. And lots of freesias and wandering Jew and wandering Jew and viaduct. See, plenty of it. And onion flowers and wandering Jew and chickweed and cleavers. And yes, Carcabeak. You know what? I want to take a different route. So here we have a bunch of steps and a rhododendron flower. And we just meander through and along wherever we want to go. Arum lily. I do like how Wellington's got all these funny old pathways. And as you can see, we're basically up. See? Now we're up higher. Up Kelburn Way. Apparently, the Botanic Gardens are this way. Apparently. Yep, sign definitely says that. Weird. Oh, we're all clear. By a school of sorts. Wonder where I am. I haven't taken this route before. I've definitely not taken this route before. Weird. Apparently it's this way. Interesting. Oh, is there a good view? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, nice view over here. Welling Antonio. And over we go. I knew this seemed an odd route. It's just this one that heads back down to that corner there. not up the top like I thought I was going. Do I go down this way? I am indecisive. I'll go head back up that way. I wonder where this road leads me. And yes, I do like things growing up a brick there. I think that looks rather cool. Okay, I definitely haven't been this way before. Looks like quite a nice area. And it looks like there's a park. Yep, Botanic Garden, thought so. Interesting that road sign didn't just point to the Botanic Garden twice. That would have made more sense. Yes. So here we have it. Wellington Botanic Garden, Maruri Road entrance. Maruri Road. Maruri Road. Maruri Road. Ruri Ruri. It's Ruri Ruri windy. And as you can see, this route leads you to a bit of a nice view here. Quite a lot of onions there. And a nice, did I say a nice view? I must have said a nice view. And obviously all these pines and conifers. So after all, this is the James Hector Pinetum. Or Pinetum. See? Pinetum. Pinetum. Depends on what you interpret it to be. This plaque is in an interesting place. I'm not sure if it refers to that tree there or that tree there. Or whether the tree that's talking about is no longer there. There we go. Guessing that would have to be Pinus radiata, and this would be Pinus something else. We have a rocky pyramid. I wonder what the purpose of this is. Ah, there we go, a James Hector Memorial lookout. Let's look out, shall we? A Pinus Pinea. Windy! So yes, a rather windy Pinetum today. What more would you want? We have this lawn down here, and we also have the area where the the mulching and the occasional junk storage. Right down there, that little concrete pad. And those trees that don't appear to be doing too well on that little fence down there. Interesting. And we could go down there, but I want to go up this way instead. I think this is the only YouTube channel where a video can be introduced as a Zealandia report, but really ends up being a walk through the Botanic Gardens. Funny that, wouldn't you say? I could run, but then again, who says that's great for the video quality? Apparently, production said that it isn't that great for video quality, and I totally agree. Indeed. So I'll try not to run too much. But yet again, if you want to see plenty of running, you can always put that in the comments section. If you want to see plenty of walking, you can always comment about that. And if you've got any fun things to say, you can always comment about that. Excellent. I think that's housekeeping out of the way. Oh yes, I'm rambling on. Interesting, this little yeah, it's a tree. Oh, this is a branch. Oh no, it's a little tree. Spindly little tree that is a bit too heavy for its weight. But I don't know, not stemless, it still had a stem, but not enough of a stem. Maybe it's just the winds that Wellington's getting at the moment. And I have a feeling this path leads to that lawn which I tried to avoid. Interesting, isn't it? I guess it's destiny. It's destiny for me to set foot on that lawn on this very day. This very windy day. So here we have the bays where the compost is placed. Compost. Could call it compost like how you should be, but compost. It's more interesting. And American. And Americanly interesting. And interestingly American. And I probably don't need to be repeating myself over and over and over again. Is it me, or is it spring and these trees shouldn't be deciduous? I don't think this is deciduous. This is a pretty tree blanketed in epiphytic plants. Just had to say that because I can. And here's another one. And here's another one. But I'm not sure how well you can see that, viewer. There's quite a lot of contrast between the dark forest and the brightish sky. Now, here we go. Stop paying for animal abuse. Go vegan. I only just found that. For vegan seat. Yes, for vegan seat. Surely, there's nothing better than a vegan seat. Vegan seat, vegan seat. Oh yeah! Anyway, it's enough of vegan seat. But vegan seat was cool. I do want to see a vegan seat again. Hopefully there's more. Who knows? Maybe this Oak knows. Oak, do you know if there are more vegan seats? Oak seems very quiet today. I wonder why. Here we are in the main Botanic Gardens area. And looks like we have a ghost lawn. Yes, a ghost lawn. I guess a ghost lawn is what happens when you drape a lawn with ghost cloth. Otherwise known as shade cloth, but ghost cloth is much more interesting. So there we have it. Shall we end this video with a rather small number of duckies? And yes, it seems, whoa, ducky. They're just flying around. Got a bunch of diving duckies. Well, 3 white ones and 2 brownie ones. Interesting. Seems like there's more colourful duckies every day here. Not that I've been around for a while, so I guess that's probably why. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please remember, vegan seats are cool, and if you've got another vegan seat, that'd be cool as well. So if in doubt, spread the word of vegan seats. I've never seen a vegan seat before till I found that vegan seat, but yeah, vegan seats are cool. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and admire ducks. Because you can. Anyway, that's it on Gardener Gone Wild. Woo! Pigeon! And yes, that was a pigeon flying by. Not sure how much I got on camera though. Anyway. Woo! Ducks! More ducks! Whee! Ducky splash! Even smells like ducks. Yes, there are two that just flew out onto the ghost lawn. Yes, the ghost lawn. By the way, I did say that would be the end of the video, didn't I? Probably should end at some stage. See, there's all the springiness at the moment. Springiness. Did I say that there's springiness? Yes, springiness. And I guess I should probably try and get more gardens on this video, as this is a gardening YouTube channel. You would agree, wouldn't you? Yes, for you agrees. And here we have it. Spring at the Botanic Gardens. And I guess spring has sprung, and the sprung is spring. So, spring in and tune in to Gardener Gone Wild. Wait, you already have tuned in, haven't you? You're watching this video. This is an artwork. Interesting, isn't it? Looks like everything's being blown away.